Welcome to FundingPips mobile MatchTrader app, where in today's video, we'll go over how to use the app to trade on your FundingPips account. So when you first download the app from the Play Store or Google Store, this is the exact layout you'll see. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see your profit, and if you were to click on it, you can see your equity, your balance, free funds, margin, and margin level percentage. Right below that, you have your calendar on any upcoming news that you need to be aware of. Then you can scroll through to the top movers in the market, and if you were to actually click on it, it will expand. And in the news tab, if you were to click on it, you can see all the news that has affected the market throughout the day. In the actual calendar section, you can see any previous news that happened, or you can filter through to the next day and upcoming week to see any upcoming news that you may need to watch out for. Below that section, you have the actual symbols. Now you can scroll through the list of symbols, or you can look up a symbol and look through the watch list of symbols to find a trading pair that you want to trade. In the tab down below, we have our trade, our positions, history, and account. In positions, you'll see any open positions and any limit orders you have set. In the history section, you'll see all previous trades that were taken, and you can filter it through the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 365 days, and even a custom range. Next to that, we have our account settings. In here, you can filter through your different accounts. You can go inside user settings and change up different settings based on your preferences. And you can even turn on and off light mode and dark mode. So let's actually start to take some trades. Let's, for example, attempt to trade gold. First things first is exactly how it will look, but you can even activate trading view charts by going to the top right hand corner and clicking on this toggle to turn on trading view charts. If you would like to see your drawing tools, to the left hand of the chart, there's an arrow. If you click on that blue arrow, it'll open up all of the drawing tools for you to use. If you want to expand this chart, use the top left hand button to expand the chart, and now you have the chart in the full screen. Inside here, you can change your different time frames. You can even add in indicators through our selected list. And you can go inside chart settings and change any candle colors you would like. Now, if we wanted to trade, of course, we can use the buttons down here to trade and buy and sell, or we can go out of full screen mode. In it, it would also tell us our required margin for that specific amount that we're looking to trade. It would tell us our free funds, our slippage, our margin level percentage, and our commission. You can even set a take profit and stop loss order before we take the trade. We can even set a limit order by going to pending order section, dragging our pending order to wherever we want it on the screen. So let's say, for example, I want to set a buy limit. I just have to tap on the yellow button and then drag it to wherever I want. Of course, because it's a buy limit, I would go below price and click on buy limit. And if I want to turn off trade confirmations, I can click this button and just click confirm. Now, if I want to set a TP and stop loss before this even hits, I just have to click on this stop loss and take profit section and do the same thing. Tap on the take profit order and drag it, and it will set. And the same thing for stop loss, tap on it and drag it, and it will set. Now, if we want to cancel this limit order, all we have to do is click the X button and we'll get out of that limit order. If we want to go inside a market order now, we can go ahead and just click either one of these buttons. For example, we can click buy, and it automatically puts us into a trade. And just like the limit orders, if we want to set a TP and a stop loss, we click on the stop loss TP bracket, and then we drag it to wherever we would like. Below that, we have our open positions, and here we can manage our trade. So we can click modify and set the TP and stop loss there, or we can even do partially close and close out half of our lots. If we wanted to close the full position, we can go back to the chart and click the X, or we can click close position down here and it will get us out of the trade. So that's the platform. Let us know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.